I was going in Big Boss. According to his statement, I'm single from 5 years. I never said I'm mingle. What is the base of his talk? Senseless, baseless, meaningless talk. मतलब भैया बहुत टाइम और बहुत मेहनत और बहुत 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 हार्ड वर्क लगता है to be where I am today. Just because I'm a girl and I'm not talking about it, that doesn't make me a bad person or doesn't make me a culprit. I am not. I can't read. I cannot look into the phone or TV anymore. Like this is crazy.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani and today we have with us a very special guest straight from the Big Boss 14 house, welcoming Sara Gurpal. Hello Sara, how are you?
I'm doing fine. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Welcome. So Sara, firstly tell me, your entry made a lot of buzz. There were people who were talking about you, wanting to know you more. Did you expect that the duration inside the house will be short?
It was pretty short, and I think no one was expecting the eviction, because the nomination was just one vote. And at that time also John Sanu came to me and he said, like, I just had two names and I was confused and I just said your name like that only, like I didn't mean it. So I said, you just cannot say that I didn't mean it. It's the nomination, it's very serious. So even when I was in the house, everybody loved me. Everybody was shocked even when John said my name. And then nobody was expecting that, Gohar, Hina, if we talk about the three seniors, then Gohar, Hina, and Siddharth, you know, for the discussion. And Gohar, Hina said, we don't want Sarah to go. Like, she's been struggling with her eye injury and then she's putting up all the hard works. And why are you doing it? Doctors ki team aa rahi hai yaar. Why are you doing this? I don't know what he had in mind. I don't know. Short pen tha, but I had fun. I had those followers who supported me as soon as I came out of the house, and this is what I earned out of this. And this is a big deal. कुछ लोगों को ये चीजें घर के अंदर नहीं मिलती, but I got outside the house.
Yeah. Completely true. We also saw that, as you said, Hina and Gohar were completely for you. They were supporting you, but Siddharth was constantly saying that, no, I want her to leave. And you also mentioned in the past interview that, he was the reason that you came out, not the audience. So now we see that both the seniors, Hina and Gohar, are against Siddharth in the recent episodes. They are not bonding well. Do you think Siddharth is kind of getting his due back?
He will. It's just not that. He will eventually. If you're doing something, you know that you're wrong. You're doing something, and I was surprised at my time only that Gohar and Hina are such a strong, so strong personalities. The one is winner and one is the first runner up. How can they just say, okay, theek hai? Next time you have to agree with us. Now you're not agreeing with us. The next time, it's not a joke. It's about someone's eviction. It's not something किसी ने सब्जी काटनी है या नहीं काटनी. It's about someone's eviction. So I'm pretty, disappointed with Gohar and Hina that they should have taken their stand, like how they've taken stand so many times for another contestants as well. They should have taken the stand, but it's fine. I mean, again, couldn't say anything else because. It is all about Big Boss, and Big Boss said the last decision will be the decision that seniors are gonna take. So with all the respect to Big Boss and the channel and the people, so I was like, it's fine.
Okay. And as soon as you entered the house, your ex-husband Tushar, he was constantly, talking about your personal life and the marriage and everything else out in public. Why do you think that happened?
Who asked him?
I think he came out and the public, the media people, they asked him.
Hmm. किसी ने क्या मीडिया तो नहीं गई थी उसके पास कि भैया आप
No, he came out and he started giving interviews about you, that I know her and all.
Things are totally baseless. There is no meaning. There is nothing. I was not going in Sara ka Swayamvar. I was going in Big Boss. According to his statement, I'm single from 5 years. I never said I'm mingle. What is the base of his talk? senseless, baseless, meaningless talk. He's so कुछ भी मतलब भैया बहुत टाइम और बहुत मेहनत और बहुत 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 हार्ड वर्क लगता है to be where I am today. Just because I'm a girl and I'm not talking about it, that doesn't make me a bad person or doesn't make me a culprit. I am not. I'm trying to settle my life from 5 years. I'm trying to do every hard work it takes to put in to be there where I am. उससे तो यार उसने मतलब एक दिन की भी वेट नहीं की जिस दिन अंदर ही उस दिन शुरू हो गया झंडा लेके क्या कर रहे हो किसने बोला मतलब क्या हो गया भैया किसने पूछा तुमसे क्या बात है consult someone okay now he wanted 10 minutes right that's what he said he wanted 10 minutes to confront whether it big boss house or big I give him 1 hour now to come sit with me
Yeah.
he's a base you know this is to humiliate someone's personality humiliate someone's family imagine I'm to taking it very cool cozy imagine if I'm famous and if I'm your sister and I'm not famous how would you feel if I'm you be in my shoes and think about it how would you feel would he come out like this in public if I wasn't famous no क्योंकि इससे कुछ मिलेगा नहीं अभी तो मिलेगा बिग बॉस मिलेगा अभी तो बिग बॉस में 10 मिनट बुलाएंगे उसको oh gosh oh so sorry उसके सब सपने टूट गए
Okay.
I'm sorry that मैं बहुत energies में बहुत believe करती हूँ
Yeah.
and he's not my energy I don't want to attract something
Okay, cool. And what about Shehzad? Because inside the house, he, said in one of the episodes that I really like Sarah and I would like to be good friends with her. And he was visibly upset once you left, and now even he's out of the house. So, what is it like? Are you going to, meet him outside the house? What is the plan like? Because you guys bonded well even inside, I guess.
I knew him already, first of all. So he is a good friend now as we met in the Big Boss house. So he became really, really good friend. वो बहुत ही अच्छा बंदा है यार. He's यारों का यार है. बहुत बढ़िया लड़का है. And अगर ऐसा हुआ है सच में that he's out of the house, I'll be very disappointed because this is so unfair. What is Jan Sanu doing inside the house? What are these people doing inside the house? You know? बहुत गलत होगा अगर ही इज आउट ना देन इट्स दिस इज टोटली अनफेयर वन मोर टाइम एंड पीपल आई डोंट नो लोगों को करने दो यार जो लोग डिसाइड करना चाहते हैं जिन लोगों का शो है पिछले 14 साल से लेट देम डू इट नाउ व्हाई आर दे सेंडिंग एवरीबॉडी दैट्स सैड बट ऑफ कोर्स आई विल मीट हिम ऑफ कोर्स ही विल बी अ गुड फ्रेंड
Okay. And what about your, spat with Nikki Tamboli? Because BB Mall के items को लेके आप लोग की एक fight हुई थी, and then in the task, she was very harsh with you. Why do you think, did she take it personally?
यार पर्सनल क्या है उसके लिए पर्सनल दिल ही नहीं है उसमें वो क्या है तो पर्सनली किसी क्या है मुझे नहीं पता वो क्या करती रहती है वो व्हेन बीबी मॉल की चीज थी आप बताओ आई वाज इन माय बैड डेज एंड आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग माय पजामास फ्रॉम बीबी मॉल एंड मैंने बोला कि तू छोड़ दे मेरे लिए ना लाइक कि ओके अगर तुझे बहुत जरूरी है क्या चीजें एंड देन शी वाज फाइटिंग फॉर हर हील्स एंड चप्पल एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाट द हेल इज शी डूइंग लाइक क्या सर में मारने तूने जूते पे किसी को जरूरत है चीजों की तूने जिंदगी में कभी कॉम्प्रोमाइज फैमिली के साथ एडजस्टमेंट चीजें नहीं सीखी है घर से सीख के नहीं आए हो ये सब चीजें तुम दैट्स व्हाई आई हैड अ फाइट एंड सेकंड जब टास्क चल रहा था शी न्यू आई एम गेटिंग हर्ट एंड दिस वाज गेटिंग हर अप कि चलो बढ़िया शी इज गेटिंग हर्ट एंड कीप ऑन डूइंग इट दैट्स व्हाट शी वाज डूइंग at that time and which is again a one thing I would say गेम शो है करना है करो बट जैसे कि इजाज ने माफी मांगी पवित्रा से एंड शी न्यू मेरी आईज इतनी ज्यादा बुरी है आई वाज हैविंग लाइक पस इन द आई 15 मिनट में को आईज खोलने में लगता था अभी भी आई हैव cornea damage and it's going to take another 10 से 12 दिन for the damage to get repaired and then putting the medicines for my vision because I can't read I cannot look into the phone or TV anymore like this is crazy मतलब आईज लिटरली छोटी हो जाती हैं. सो ये तो जो चीजें हैं ना, ये इन चीजों को ये वो समझेगी नहीं. शी डजंट अंडरस्टैंड दीज थिंग्स. लाइक उसके लिए ये चीजें कुछ एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती. शी इज रेडी टू डू व्हाटएवर इट टेक्स, एंड व्हिच इज मे बी गुड फॉर हर, बट दैट्स अ पर्सनालिटी शो. लोगों को दिखता है बाहर, लोग पागल नहीं बैठे हैं. एंड आई एम ग्लैड.
Okay. And even you agreed, and a lot of other majority of the contestants inside believed that Jan is being controlled by Nikki, and you know he's following her completely. And in the episodes, that's visible as well. Why do you think that is happening? Like as you said, that Jan is still inside the house.
John is doing nothing other than being Nikki's shadow, and the reason is वो बंदा is a sweet guy. वो थोड़ा सा भोला है. निकी बहुत easily उसको वो कर लेती है बातों में, and this is what is happening honestly. हमने उसको 3-4 बार, मैंने, शहजाद ने, जैस्मिन ने बहुत समझाया उसको कि यार डोंट डू दिस, लाइक व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, लाइक अपनी पर्सनालिटी रख, तू क्या कर रहा है, उधर बैठता उधर बच जाता है, उधर बैठता उधर बच जाता है, लाइक डोंट बी अ थाली का बैंगन, लाइक डोंट डू दिस. बट वो नहीं समझने को तैयार है. ही इज नॉट रेडी टू लिसन. उसको समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है. एंड आई बिलीव जनता को दिखता है, ये सब चीजें दिख रही हैं, सब बाहर सब कुछ A to Z चीज दिख रही है. घर के अंदर ये चीजें उसको समझानी बहुत मुश्किल है. एंड रही, अगर तुम ये सोचते हो कि अपने डैडी की वजह से आप वहां पे हो, आप कह के तो ये आए हो कि मुझे अपनी पहचान बनानी है, बट अभी भी यू आर टेकिंग दैट फॉर ग्रांटेड. लाइक तुम उसी चीज पे अभी बसे हुए हो. तो आई थिंक उसको अपनी पर्सनालिटी थोड़ी बहुत दिखानी चाहिए अगर वो एक्चुअली करना चाहता है. अदरवाइज मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी अगर शो में रहना चाहता है, क्योंकि शो में रहना तो हम तो डिसाइड करते नहीं, जनता का कोई मतलब नहीं है. वो तो वही डिसाइड करते हैं, जो घर के अंदर है तो वही डिसाइड करते हैं, तो हमारा तो कुछ उसमें नहीं है. बट अगर पर्सनली अगर वैसे कहा जाए तो उसको दिखानी चाहिए अपनी पर्सनालिटी थोड़ी बहुत.
Okay. And what about you entering the house again? Because fans were really wanting to see you back in this week, but we could not see you inside the house. So, what is the scene?
Honestly, I'm not sure. Let's see. कब, because my eyes are not well. अभी तो मेरे को 15-20 दिन तो इसी में लग जाएंगे. अभी I'm gonna get a major headache because of the lighting and stuff. बहुत बुरा हाल होता है because of the cornea damage and then the vision, because I put the steroid, so चीजें छोटी बड़ी दिखती हैं. तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. फर्स्ट इज माई हेल्थ, एंड आई विल बी फाइन. डेफिनेटली अपडेट एंड ये चीज तो आ ही जाएगी. लाइक बट डेफिनेटली इफ आई गेट अ चांस आई विल डेफिनेटली गो फॉर द followers and the fans who actually supported me throughout, all the celebrities who tweeted for me, you know, it was immense. it was it was so soothing for me. At least people are supporting, क्योंकि I went with dignity, I came out with dignity. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था कि फर्स्ट वीक मैं सोचूं जनता निकालती तो भी मैं सोचती, मेरे को निकाला भी तो सिर्फ एक इंसान ने. एंड जैसे हुआ, हर चीज के पीछे एक रीजन होता है, और अच्छा ही होता है सब रीजन.
Okay. And lastly, I have these just 5 adjectives that I would want you to answer about the contestants inside the house. So, who do you find the most clever contestant?
पवित्रा पुनिया.
Okay. The player of the house.
Jasmine and Rubina.
Okay. Who do you think is dumb and does not understand things very well?
जान कुमार सानू.
Okay. Who's very mean?
निक्की.
Okay. And who's the most calm person?
एजाज.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, Sarah. Hoping to see you soon inside the house.
Thank you, my love. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye bye. Take care.